All right, so we are one full year from the peak of the market in 2022, and we're going to be talking about exactly what the hell is going on. We're talking about the numbers and the recent Make Up Canada announcement. There's also one really important part at the end, so make sure you stick around. Welcome back to another video. My name is Vic. I'm a realtor here in Toronto in the GTA, and I help people buy and sell real estate. As always, I'm going to thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, all that good stuff. It really does help me out a lot, and it helps the channel grow. As always, if you have any questions about what we talk about today or want to chat about real estate in general, you can click the first link in the description to book a call with me at a time that works for you. Now, let's jump into the video. The Toronto real estate numbers for February are out, and over the last few videos, I've been preaching the same message. If you're making a decision for yourself this year, whether to sell your property or you're going to be buying a property, you shouldn't necessarily be looking at the year-over-year numbers, because at this point, everybody knows that it's gone down significantly from the peak. But if there is a reason you're looking at those numbers, then it should be to gain perspective. That's the number one thing that's really important today. So let's get into the numbers and see what's happening on a year-over-year basis. So sales are down by 50%, new listings are down by 40%, active listings are up by 38%, average price is down overall by 17%, and days on market is up by a whopping 200%. This seems like a lot, but it's basically just a month on the market. Okay, let's get into the sales and the prices. Average prices year over year across the board are down. Overall, we are down 20% from the peak. Really no good news here, right? Fairly obvious that it was going to look like this. Townhouses and condos dropped the same amount at 416, but bigger price drops in the 905. Couple of things to notice about the 905 area is that there are a lot more sales, but also higher price drops. The reason for this is that it's a bigger area than Toronto, and these areas also went up more in price compared to Toronto, which gave them more room to fall. So year over year looks bad, and it's going to be bad for the next couple of months, but this is only half of the picture. We still need to see the month over month pricing and sales. So let's get into the month over month pricing. So as you can see, every asset class was up in average and median price. There were also a lot more sales in every category. In terms of sales, townhouses and condos both did really well. When you're analyzing month over month pricing, definitely take a look at median pricing, because it paints a better picture than just the average. So taking a look at the median pricing, detached median pricing is up 6%. Semi-detached median pricing is up 5%. Townhouse median pricing is up 5%. And condo median pricing is up only 3%. This is kind of why I also like condos as investments. They're the least volatile asset class for price drops and increases. You're not stressing out every month with the people who bought freehold. All right, so where do we go from here? We also had the Bank of Canada announcement last week where they chose to hold the rates. This is only going to help drive prices up. The longer they continue to hold the rates, the more the buyer confidence will return to the market, and we're seeing it right now. Unfortunately, if anybody disagrees with this, then the data will just prove otherwise. And here's why this could be a really dangerous thing. Here's the thing. No one can actually predict when the bottom will be, and we need a lot more data to actually call a price bottom. If someone tells you that this is the bottom, and you believe them and you purchase something, but the price ends up going down further, well, then you got caught in a bull trap. So one good month doesn't mean prices have bottomed out. There's still a lot more room for prices to go down. Still a better time to buy versus last year, in my opinion, but let's see where it goes. So after reviewing the numbers, does this mean that the bottom of the market is here? Absolutely not. Still room for prices to go down. Make the best financial decision for yourself. If you're in the market for the long run like you should be, then you're going to be fine. That's the video for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned anything, then drop a like. Make sure to subscribe. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you in the next video.